You don't want to miss this. Or in fact, it's kind of confirmed that the setup is a good setup with AT&T.
Mm.
And Zoom is, I didn't go over Zoom, but Zoom is more of like a safe play, and that one's looking good. All right, all right. So PLTR, it just broke below VWAP in the pre-market. Good morning, Danny. Good to see you.
Morning.
I understand you're catching up on the reading right now.
I've been a poor student in the last week.
Oh my goodness. Well, we'll get you caught up.
Yeah.
You understand the volume profile now a bit, right?
A bit, yeah. I still need to digest it more.
Okay. All right. We're starting. Let's do this.
All right.
We can get into PLTR now. A few shares. Adjust the sell to 1041. 1041 for the first sell. Okay. Okay, we're holding. Stop loss at 1017. Price is testing pre-market lows. We are not buying more. We are just holding. We wanted to break above VWAP again. Okay, touched VWAP. Let's see if it's going to be resistance now. If it's resistance, we might want to reduce our position. Okay, it's breaking through. Let's see what we get. Okay, patience, patience. Seen some more volume come in. That's good. Definitely a lot of resistance right there at that 1041 level. But the buying pressure is there. There's a lot of people trying to buy this stock. They know that it broke the all-time high here, all-time high at 1022. So there's definitely people that want to buy this stock. It did just hit 1041. It broke it actually. But is that going to be we're just waiting to see if that's a false breakout or not. So I don't like that it didn't thrust up a little faster once it broke 1041. There's a lot of people on both sides. A lot of people trying to sell because they think it's at the top. A lot of people trying to buy because they see that it broke the all-time high. If you bought and sold correctly, you should be green right now, so long as it doesn't come down to these levels. It's slowly easing higher. It's pushing at that resistance point right here. There's just a lot of sell orders right here. It's like a block. But the fact that it's holding here for so many minutes and it's up here pressing against that wall, that's a good sign. That is a good sign. When it pushes against the wall, sometimes there's just like enough pressure, enough buying pressure to where it'll just snap and then it'll go up. And my guess is going to go up to about 1046 to 1048 first. If it snaps and it breaks through. But we want to see this continue. We don't want it to come down and test this. If it tests this, it's not the end of the game. But if it stays pressed up against this resistance like this, that's a sign that there's so many buyers trying to get in right now that the price is just being pushed against this price level. And it's not coming down. Looks healthy so far. Okay. It's being pushed against that price level again. We're in good shape. And really, it's shown us nothing but strength so far. If it can push past that 1050 level, then the sellers are probably going to give up and the price is going to just keep going up. Yeah, because there's a big battle going on right now. This price shows a big battle. A whole bunch of people are trying to sell the stock and that pushes the price lower. And then a whole bunch of people are trying to buy the stock. And that's us. And we want the buyers to overwhelm the sellers. So many people placing buy orders that it breaks past this critical point of resistance at 1050. And once it does, it's game over. Now, this is where the trade can definitely fail. This is where the trade can reverse. So I was fairly confident in it coming up to 1041 and even past that at 1046. But at this point, we have lower probability, which is why we took profits in two places. There are other stocks which are giving me signals to buy right now, but I'd rather stay here with you guys and just show you how to trade this one stock right now. And that will also show you guys the importance of focusing and patience, and also not trying to grab too many opportunities, because if you try to spin too many plates, then that's how you drop one of them. It's pressing up against 1050 hard now. And again, it's like that pressure. It's like shooting a sandy wall with a hose, and it's just pressing on it. And we're trying to see if it just pushes through, it's able to erode that wall away. And I use the metaphor of water because it really is like liquidity. It's buys going through, pushing through, trying to push through this sell point. And that just happened. So we got a pretty quick push up. We can expect this to come back and retest. But now this critical level is going to play a pivotal role in the rest of our trade. Now, I don't think it's going to go to 1067 in like a minute or two. I'm thinking that it's going to take about 20 minutes for it to actually reach that profit target, if it does. But we'll manage the trade and we'll make sure that we sell for a decent amount. At this point, we're going to move our stop loss up, and we're going to move our stop loss up to $10.38. That's about where we entered the trade. Okay. So we're going to move our stop loss up to where we entered the trade. That way, even if this is a false breakout and it somehow gets past this critical point, which my money's on it won't, not for quite a while, then at least we'll be able to not lose money or take a small loss. And that's the name of the game. And really, we should, at this point, because we took some profits here and here, we shouldn't just not lose money. We should really be at a profit. Really, I don't think that if you guys followed the trade plan, that you guys would really be losing money on this trade, no matter what, unless you if you didn't deviate from the trade plan, you're making money right now. So let's see so we're getting that retest of the 1050 level. We don't want it to, of course, push below that level. Oh, it pushed below it. That's really not good. There's going to be a lot of sell orders triggered. Now, this is okay as long as it doesn't hit the stop loss here, but it could hit the stop loss. So if it hits the stop loss, then that's okay. We're going to get out and we're going to wait. Okay, hit the stop loss. So everyone should be out right now. What a roller coaster ride, huh? Thanks for coming to the channel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe so you can see more live day trading, so you can get more trading plans, and so you can become a profitable day trader. And I will see you guys next time.